Beneath the sky of endless blue, where mountains touch the air, in the whisper of the forest, the ultimate truth is there. In the dance of morning sunlight, on the dew-kissed meadows graze, in the stillness of the twilight, you can see its sacred face. In the laughter of the children, in the tears the old ones weep, in the silence of the desert, in the ocean vast and deep, in the heartbeat of the cosmos, in the rhythm of the rain, in the quiet of the temple, and the monk's serene refrain. The nature of the ultimate truth is woven in the wind, in the blooming of a flower, in the places we begin. It's in the flight of birds at dawn, in the stars that light the night, in the eyes of every bee, in the seeker's inner sight. Look not in distant places, nor climb a hill too high, for the ultimate truth surrounds you beneath the open sky. Look not in distant places, nor climb a hill too high, for the ultimate truth surrounds you beneath the open sky. In the laughter shared with friends, in the solitude of thought, in the lessons life has taught you, in the wisdom you have sought, in the cycles of the seasons, in the turning of the tide, in the moments of pure stillness, where your deepest truths will live. The nature of the ultimate truth is everywhere you turn, in the flames of inner passion, in the hearts that softly burn. It's the thread that binds existence, the essence of our song, the melody that guides us when the nights are dark and long. Embrace the sacred presence, let it fill your soul with light, for the ultimate truth is with you in the day and in the night. In every breath and heartbeat, in every step you take, know that you are part